Hey, MACT here. A little bit of bonus footage. What man says no to his wife when she says, "Hey, my machete isn't sharp. Will you sharpen it?" I consider that a double-edged question. You guys may infer from that, from what you will. But she uses this a lot in the garden, so needless to say, lots of time it's spent slamming into rocks and everything else. She's just willy-nilly with this thing. But anyway, the woman wants her machete sharpened. So who am I to argue with a woman holding a knife? Make it sharper? By goodwill? Yeah. Anyway, let's go ahead and sharpen this real quick, and we'll get her going, and hopefully everything will turn out right. Safety squints are on. There we go. Oh yeah. Nice and sharp on that one. Run that down just a little bit more. Oh yeah. There we go. Nice and sharp. All ready to go for her. So she can continue on with her gardening. There we go. Got her hatchet sharp for her too. What?
I'm in the camera.
Yep, I'm sharpening knives.
Are you going to use that?
No, just sharpen it for running.
I came over here to tell you if you want to eat.
Sure.
You want me to bring it over here?
Yeah.
Alright. How many tacos do you want? 2 or 3?
3. there you go. Now she's got a sharp axe and 2 sharp machetes, so I'll just not make her mad at me. Anyway, you'll have a great day.